All right, today I'm going to go over the heating and cooling controls in the Mercedes-Benz GLA. Can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up? Thanks a lot. That helps out a lot. Now, I'm going to go over the heating and cooling system right here because it can be a little bit confusing. So I'm sitting in the vehicle. As you can see, I'm on the driver's side, and I'm just going to look down right here. Do you see the controls right here? There's a lot going on right here, but don't let it confuse you, okay? So, right here, if you want to turn it on auto, you just press this auto button right here, and it automatically starts blowing air at you at the right temperature, okay? Now to turn auto off, you just simply press the fan button up or down, and that'll completely turn auto off. Now there's a feature called zone feature. You see this, you press zone, and when you press zone, both the passenger side and driver side can control their own temperature. As you can see, it's at 74 degrees right here, right? Watch this. See, the passenger can actually control their own when you have it in zone mode. But to get out of zone mode, you just press this one time. You're out of zone mode, and the temperature for both sides goes back to the same temperature. All right, now let's move along. Right here, you have the temperature control right there. You can either go warmer or cold right here by going left or right. The same thing over here. Left or right in zone control, okay? Turn zone mode off. All right, now, right here, they have defrost or defog the windshield max right here. So when I press this, it's gonna blow hard, right? Look, I pressed it. Now the air is starting to come out onto the windshield really hard, okay? Now if I press it again, it turns off, okay? Now, let's go into the next thing. Right here, as you can see, this fan right here, there's a big fan, and underneath it is a smaller fan, as you can see. Big fan, smaller fan. The big fan increases the speed of the fan, and it will blow out higher. Now, if you want it not to blow out so hard, press this, and it lowers the fan speed, okay? All right, next, we're going to go to mode, all right? That's mode right here. Now, when you press mode, you see this? It shows it right here where the air is blowing out at. Right now it's blowing at the windshield, and you press this and it toggles through. Right there, it's blowing at my feet, face, and windshield. Press it again, windshield, feet. Press it again, just face. And that's the mode option. Right here is the AC. Now if you want air conditioning to be on, you have to press this. Make sure that light is lit up. Or if you want max air conditioner, you have to press that, okay? Over here is the small fan, which lowers the fan speed. And this right here is the defroster, which defrosts the rear window. And we go back over here. This button right here is the off button to ultimately turn this air conditioner off. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot.